Yo guys, this is episode 2, right? This is like a daily series that I'm running. Whole point of this, I'm gonna set inside the first videos so you guys can kind of see how I work, the amount of work I put in. So every single one of these videos is me tackling a new issue, and then at the end of the videos I'll try to show you guys the results of what I've been able to come up with, and yeah. So unlike last time where we had a bit of a struggle because obviously I've got a horrible laptop, ladies and gentlemen, right? So this is the site that Claude has been able to create for me. Let's go like this, right? Push this more to the side. Okay, let me view it. Right, so here you go guys. This is the base of operations, the online Batcave, right? So it has agency admin, which would be me, right? So here are my dashboards, sales pipelines, leads, qualified bookings, clients, right? Affiliates, campaigns, reports, you know. So yeah, I'll go back out now. Switch portal. So that's for me, agency admin, and then we have oh, this is just for like the clients. Here are the clients' affiliates, weekly reports, book a call, right? So the book a call one's for us, you know, if they want to speak to us. And then here's the affiliate portal, right? For the affiliates dashboards, their stats, promo kit, right? Be like general information for them. Book support and earnings, overall earnings, right? So now, right? So I have the skeleton of what I really want out of a website, right? So now there's just a few things I want to iron out within the site before we continue, because I already have the login structure that I wanted. I already have the layout that I wanted. So now I just need to quickly clear all site details, right? Because everything that was added there was just to show examples and how things operate. So now I need that to be cleared and started off from a clean slate before I'm able to copy the HTML and turn it into an actual site. So yeah, today's missions are going to be that. I'm going to be making sure that the site goes live and all the processes that come with doing so. With the site going live, we're going to, what else are we going to do? I still need to get that testimonial from that client as well. There's one of those, and then yeah, I think it should be about it. And then I'll have like a mini conversation that I will record with me and Claude, because it'll be setting up my posting schedule, what I'll post, the flywheel, the whole process basically of what's going to happen now. So yeah, let's get this going. I'll twist it to this angle. Yeah. So let me get started, guys. So just to show you guys, this is what it's called, Affiliate OS. Push this back right there. Okay. Okay. Client portal improvements needed. The agency admin one is all set. I like it. I'm happy with that. Admin. So it's client portal and then affiliate portal as well. Because I want to add a CRM into both. They don't have a CRM. Amira sungola bra. Gotta sign up and log in gateway. Yeah, gateway. Con minus AI. so I can focus on recruitment. Quick update, guys. So I'm on Manus now. It's building me out a website, so I'm gonna try to compare the two between Claude and Manus. Then I'll take it from there. So yeah, that's where we're currently at. I'm trying to see what the site's gonna look like. So guys, this week was first week, even though it kind of started on Wednesday. The whole processes and everything that I'm gonna go through this week is we're just setting up back end, so we have somewhere to funnel people to, and we have a process and a system set up in order to make sure that the business runs well. At the end of the day, I'm doing this on my own, so I'll try to automate as much as possible so I can purely focus on recruitment and management. So I can only focus on the high leverage tasks that will push my business forward, because I don't want to have to procrastinate on this later. So obviously first week now we're setting up the website. That's going to be back end, and then now today as well, later on, as soon as I'm done with the site, I'm going to restructure my offer, and then that'll be the end of the video. And then on the side I'll speak to my AIs, and then we'll work out a content strategy, a content plan, writing days for me so I can physically write out all the content that I need to write out, make sure that it's to my liking. And then we're going to create a flywheel, and then I'll produce as much as possible so you guys can also kind of better understand the business model. You guys can also kind of grow on this journey with me, So yeah, I'm recording all of this for trial and error, so waiting for this thing to be done now. Let me go see what Claude is up to while Manus does that. Wow, I'm running 2 major AI tools on an Intel laptop. This shit's gonna explode. We're on the coding section now. So we're getting somewhere. So yeah, it's gonna create me this, and then if I don't like how the website looks on here, I'll simply just grab all the context of it and all the things that I see that are better on this website, and then I'll just jump and add it to that one, and then I'll just get a major prompt and then put it into Lovable, because I don't think I'll be able to launch it using Claude, but I'll see how this goes. But yeah, guys, that's the whole plot for the day, just to make sure that we have the site up. Don't get me wrong, to run this agency, you don't need a site, but I'm trying to speed run efficiency, right? I don't want to move quick, I want to move efficient. But yeah. This thing might actually take a while. Let me let it run for a bit and come back here on Claude. What am I doing here? These people. Eventually it'll all be worth it though. I've got a very odd feeling about it. Maybe it's unreasonable self-belief, but I like where I'm headed. You know. When all is lost and you've got nothing else to believe yourself. Because unfortunately that's all you do have. The world will trick you. It'll let you believe that you're all on your own, but you need to be firm in your own beliefs and who you are. Be strong enough to be able to discern and create your own path. Because the ones that are laid out for you all have traps now. The people who you're supposed to follow, they've trapped the road, the path. You know, it's harder to be what people already are than it is harder for you to be who you want to be. It'll make sense later on. Okay. Still here on Claude, but we're almost done though. Now guys, almost done. We're unlovable now. So I should have this site up and ready soon. So now the site needs to match up with the personal brand. After it's done with its creation, I'll add additions through Lovable site, personal brand, personal brand, links to socials, links to newsletters, links to newsletters. Hmm. Okay, so these are the few things that I still need to get added to the site. So it's going to be links to socials, links to newsletter, direct email opt-ins for resources, which is for like email marketing campaigns that I'll be running. Still here. So. So this laptop is so shit. Okay. Let me type it out so long. I need to add sections for my newsletter. Yeah, add sections for my newsletter. Socials, links, and resources on top, and there. Have the gateway for logging in there. Have the gateway for logging in there, and at the bottom. Okay. So it's for email marketing and other resources. So. So now my next task is speak to content team. Content team. Structure. Have a flyer / structure. Okay. So I'm almost done now. Had a productive day. Hola. Mm-mm. So now guys, yeah, we're almost done. I'm just completely ironing out all the issues with the site. So yeah, we're currently here right now. There was an issue now with the login where like you're able to create a profile, everything works perfectly fine. Obviously there's still a few of the demo details, some of the demo data that I still need to delete, but we are cruising perfectly. So now the issue is that there was an issue with the persistence registration. So like you'd have to recreate a new account every single time you log in. But I'm getting that ironed out, and then I'm also connecting it to all personal brand aspects. Um, yeah. So after this, I'm gonna run it through a test, and then I need to get a few images for the cover photo, and then I will be publishing it today, and then we are good to go, and then I'll work on the content. That's a So guys, this is the official site. It's perfect. So, but like obviously once I've got a better laptop, I'll give you guys like a deep dive on this site. There's still a few things I still want to iron out, but you know, everything's here. It's all perfect. So, yeah, I can't complain. Yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. Yeah, which will probably be like tomorrow, but it'll depend on what I'm working on tomorrow. If I'm working and just jotting down content ideas, just brainstorming, then yeah, I'll probably post that. But if not, it is what it is. So I'll be catching you guys tomorrow. I think tomorrow's work session will probably be on redesigning the website again to help as well with the recruitment process. Not to automate it, but to help it. So it'll be the recruitment process because this already helps majority of the management, but I'll see how much I can truly get out of the site. Love you guys.